Hi everybody, I am here today to do a flip through of my new Graphic 45 Make a Splash mini album. This album is a cover design that I made, so this chipboard album with the curved spine and the chipboard pieces on the cover and on the inside are both available in my Etsy shop, so I will have links in the description box below, and I will talk about those in just a second more. Also, the paper collection that I'm using, the Graphic 45 papers, I have been given these papers from Scrap and Create, so they will be linked in the description box below. Now, I did use the bundle, so I've gotten some of their charms and things that go with the collection. And at the end of the video, I will go through the entire bundle and show you what comes in the bundle if you order from Scrap and Create, so stay tuned for that. This album measures 7 3/4 by 8.5. The spine is 2 3/4 inches and it has 4 pocket pages. Now on my spine here, I have a tassel with some fun fur or eyelash trim and lots of charms. Most of them are from Scrap and Create. And I've got a couple of these that I picked up at a craft show that I went to recently. The album has a chipboard frame, which I put pearls over top of, and these pearls will also be available in my Etsy shop for purchase. This is how the pearls will come. They'll come in a package like this. It's a large package. And then this is, I just dumped it in this when I was creating, and this is everything that is left over. So there's lots of different sizes in here, and then there's little crystals too. So I featured those throughout the entire album. So I've got them layered up here, and I hope you can see this too. Some of the little crystal gems here, and then I've got some on my starfish, just to make it more sparkly. I did use Graphic 45 trim to hold my album closed, and lots of ribbons throughout here, and a few magnets too. So this chipboard piece and the starfish are my design as well. The entire kit for the whole entire album will come like this. So if you purchase this from my shop, these are masked, which means they have a protective layer on the front. Because they're laser cut, they do have some charring on them. But when you remove the masking, they will look like this. So they are completely clean whenever you go to use them once you take the masking off. So this is the entire set for everything that I have used inside the album. The cover is also made out of chipboard and it's laser cut. So it's got this laser cut here. It is white on the inside. You'll see some of the charring from the laser. This is the back cover. It does have my brand name on the back because it will be covered with paper. This is the spine piece. So if you purchase that, it comes in a 3-piece set. Both of those will be linked in the description box below in case you want to purchase those to make this album. Now, if you don't want to purchase those, you can cut your own covers here with chipboard, and you don't have to use these chipboard pieces. You can do something different on your cover. Since my album is actually curved, I have my photo mats curved too. My pages are straight, but my photo mats are curved, so it gives it that same little curved look. I'm going to pull my photo mat out first just so you can see the page without the photo mat. So here's the photo mat. All 4 of them look very similar. They just have different decorative papers on them. These will hold 4 by 6 photos. So the page itself is just a rectangular page, and then that curved photo mat gives it the little decoration. These are chipboard pieces. I've added some of the pearls here, ribbon closure. And I did use the 8x8, the 12x12, and the patterns and solids as I made this album. So there is a collection of all of those things in here. In this first little pocket, I have a journaling card, and I hope you can see I've added gems to the front of all of my photo mats or my journaling cards just to help them be a little bit more decorative. Let's stick it like that for now. This opens up. There's a photo spot here. This is open at the top. This here is open too for photos. Then this opens up, room for a photo. This is open. And both of these pull out. And again, these photo mats do have a little bit of bling on the fronts and then room for photos on the back. So this just slides in here as a pocket. and you can put more in there if you want to. For page 1 back, I've put some pearls here. This is a magnetic closure. It flips up, so there's room for a photo up there. And then here we've got a little small belly band. Again, there are some gems on that card. And then this flips down, room for another photo here. And then in the center, this is on the belly band, so you can place a photo there. This is open, so the photo will slide underneath. And then underneath the belly band is a large photo mat, room for 2 4x6 photos there. Now this page is a swing tab, so it will slide this direction. Then this page opens like this, so you have room for 3 photos here. In this pocket, we have a journaling card, more of the chipboard. There are pearls down here. And then this ribbon holds the rest of the page closed. So room for a photo here. And then this opens up, 2 smaller photos. And then the photo mat, again, it has gems on it. Large photo spot on the back. And this photo mat, again, same design, different papers. On the back side of page 2, we have 2 pieces of the chipboard. We've got some pearls in the center, one of the journaling cards. The cut apart cards does have some pearls and gems on it to make it a little bit more decorative. This part is magnetized, so it holds this part open. You could place a photo there. Room for a photo here, and then a journaling card to journal about those photos. Then this holds this piece closed and opens in this direction. We've got the mermaid tail chipboard piece. It's a tuck spot, so it's got another journaling card. You could place another photo here too. Photo spot there. And this opens up, room for 2 photos here. So we've got the 2 photos, and then we've got the photo spot here, and that holds all of that together. Then we've got this. On page 3, we've got a layering of the chipboard pieces and some pearls here. This is from the ephemera assortment. It was the frame and the piece in the center. I just put it on together. This opens up. Room for a photo here. Then here we have one of the journaling cards. Again, we've got some of those crystals on it, so it's nice and shiny. We've got some little pearls down here. This will open down, and here we've got another little tuck spot with one of the small journaling cards. And then here in the center, we've got these 2 flaps that hold all of these photo mats in, and you can place more in here if you want. I've only placed 2 in here, but if you need more photo spots, you can place more mats in there. Then in the pocket, we have another photo mat that holds 2 4x6 photos. You could also make these 3x4 photo spots if you wanted more photos or smaller photos. On the back of page 3, we've got another layering of the chipboard pieces and some pearls. And I have a waterfall here. It is tied closed with ribbon. And we've got the photo spots here. Everything is open for the photo to slide under. You could put more photos here, but I like to see the decorative papers in the album too. So I alternate photo spot and decorative paper. And then room for journaling here. Now, if you would prefer to not have photo spots like the white paper, you could put some of the design paper here because there is plenty left over. Now we've gotten all of these flaps. The whole entire thing opens up. There's a belly band. There's a large photo mat here with room for a 4x6 photo. And again, you can place more photo mats underneath here. There is plenty of room. For page 4, I've got some pearls on all of my starfish. This is a swing tab. There's a pearl here. This one is the swing tab that will allow it to open. I'm going to do it this way so it doesn't get hit. This opens up, and then this is a pocket here. It has a large journaling card, and then it's got a large photo mat. Close this up here, and then this is a large belly band. So I have a photo mat tucked behind it. It is large enough that multiple photo mats will tuck behind that. So again, plenty of room for more photo space. This is the mat for the pocket here. So another mat with large size photos. Moving on to the back of page 4, we have some of the chipboard pieces layered up, and we've got some of the pearls. We've got a layer of pearls all around the clock here. This is the from the ephemera assortment. Tie closure opens this side and this side, so there's room for 2 photos and a journaling spot. And then this whole thing opens up, room for a photo here and a photo here, and then a photo mat in the pocket for 2 more photos, or you could actually place more photos in there too. And that tie is closed. And then the back cover is just the purple mermaid scales. So this is my new Graphic 45 Make a Splash mini album. I hope you have enjoyed seeing it and flipping through it with me. If you want to make this album, there is a tutorial listed in my Etsy shop, so it will be linked in the description box below. And then my chipboard pieces, the chipboard cover, and the pearls all will be listed in the description box below as well. And then next, I'm going to flip through and show you what comes in a bundle when you purchase from Scrap and Create, so stay tuned. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, all of my supplies here were very generously given to me from Scrap and Create. So all of this will be linked in the description box below. This came together for me as their package. So I'm going to go through everything that's in here so that way if you want to recreate my album, it's actually this entire kit that I have used, plus some other things that are linked in the tutorial. So when you purchase from Scrap and Create and you purchase the bundle, you get the entire collection. I'm going to start here on the back side. So first you get the 12 by 12 patterns in solids paper. Then you get the 12 by 12 collection pack. It includes the sticker sheet. You also get the 8 by 8 collection pack, which is a smaller version of the 12 by 12, but this does not include the sticker sheet. The bundle comes with a stamp set. It comes with the flower assortment, and it comes with the ephemera assortment. And then Scrap and Create picks charms and ribbons that match the collection. So you've got this little baggie of charms that has all sorts of different things. So there's starfish and a seahorse, a mermaid, just some little filigree pieces in here, perfectly matching the images in the paper. And then we've got the trim. There's 4 different shades and 4 different sizes. I hope you can see that showing up on camera. So all of these coordinate perfectly together. I will be using this to create my album, as you have seen in the flip through. Now, don't forget to go to the Scrap and Create website to purchase the bundle or the individual pieces if you just want to pick up a few of those. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to head over to my Etsy shop. The link is in the description box below where you can pick up the digital tutorial to make this album. Or you can also go to the links in my Etsy shop to purchase the different chipboard sets that I used in my album. Thank you for watching and have a great day.